Hello YouTube friends. I know you're wondering what this has to do with bags, but it does, trust me. This is a Glossier order that I had placed a while back, and it took a long time for FedEx to get it to me. And what I was most worried about is that it does contain a red lipstick, and that's not something that you want shipped to you in 100 and something degree heat, but here we are. So we'll unbox it together. But I just had to show you the lipstick too because I was so impressed with how they packaged just the lipstick. Look at this, it's in there and it's in a zippered bubble wrap little pouch that you could totally reuse for other things. It's nice thick plastic. Isn't that cute? So I think this would be really handy in the summertime if you want to bring like food items in your bag, a tote bag, you have maybe beach bag and you've got wet swimsuits or something. You could totally reuse this, so I will definitely be keeping this little bag. I was impressed with that. So let's look at the lipstick. This is not the reason I'm making the video, but I want to make sure it's okay. So this is the Glossier Generation Sheer Matte Lipstick. What color did I get? Semi-transparent. Okay, let's see. Let me put on my glasses and I'll tell you what color I got. Okay, the color I got is Crush. Let's make sure it's not crushed or melted. Oh, it looks pretty. Oh, perfect. I don't know how they sent that and it didn't melt all over, but I am very happy. So just want to let you guys know that Glossier has excellent packaging. This is my first order from them. I know my daughter gets lots of Glossier makeup. She likes it, but here's what I'm doing the video for, because it is bag related. So I had one of those pop-up ads for a Glossier sale on Instagram, and I always fall for those. So I thought, well, let me check it out. And they had a Glossier makeup bag. And I wanted to show you guys that you get 3 things out of this one makeup bag. Number 1, they send it in a dust bag that's nicer than Coach, okay? This is a nice canvas drawstring bag with little plastic tabs on it. So once you get out your item, you could use this. I'll just use this as an example. You could use this probably to store a dinky. Now here's my vintage dinky. I do not have it in a dust bag right now. Look at that. It fits perfectly. And this is cute. These have elastic adjustable straps. So where are you going to get an elastic strapped dust bag for your purses? Perfect. Look at that. So any little bag would fit in here. Probably a Cassie 19 would also fit. So you've got that great product with your purchase. So that's like, it's almost free. It does have a Glossier little tag on here that you can just peel right off. So you've got a nice dust bag. Isn't that cute? So there's that part of it. Now here's why I bought it. I thought this was so cute, this little makeup pouch. And it would be so cute for a tote bag. Look at that. And the thing I love about it is, look up here, it's got the measurements. So it's 9.5 across, 7 inches tall, and the pocket is 4.5 inches. So you know exactly what's gonna fit. But look how well made this is. I mean, who wraps a dust bag like, or a little cosmetic bag like this from a makeup company? And it's 3 inches wide. Look at the zipper. It is so cute. It's like a coated canvas. Really nice quality. The zipper pull is rubber. It's so cute. And then you've even got a zipper for the pocket in the front. How cute is that? And it's lined in the canvas. Really nice. And then it says Glossier, but it kind of wraps around. No pocket on the back. I just think it's adorable. It's kind of a blush pink color. Okay, so we're getting to why I wanted it. And the zipper is edged in red. It's just really well made. It's so cute. It's got the little label inside. Do you see what's inside? Look at this. That is an organizer. It's a little felt organizer like we buy for our bags. It's also got a pocket in here, okay? But it's got an organizer. And you know what else it does? It snaps out. Look at that. It just snaps right out. So you can pull it out if you want to. So you've got a nice sized makeup bag for all your products. And they say it fits almost all Glossier products. And I believe it. That is really cute. That would be really cute to take with you traveling. I really like that. But let's look at the little organizer here. So this is just like the kind that I have bought. That's a little silicone pack. It's like the kind that I have bought on Amazon before. It's really a nice little organizer. It's lightweight. I mean, it's not like supreme quality or anything, but it does snap in and out of that bag there, so you can use it when you're using your makeup bag, or I'm thinking I will use it in other bags. And it's got pockets. Look at this. So let me take a break for a second. I'm going to see what bags it fits in and I will show you. Okay, now this is one of my little $4 totes, and I use these a lot, these little corduroy totes from my one of my last videos. But when I fill them, they tend to get a little spongy on the bottom, so I've been thinking that a little organizer would work. Look how perfect this fits in here. It's just absolutely perfect. You've got, room at the top and a little bit of room on the sides, but it's enough that it will organize your things in the tote bag. So I'm thinking it would probably work on the Marc Jacobs, the tote bag mini, which is the same dimensions essentially. So I think this would fit really good in there, so you could organize your stuff. Very cute. Perfect. And it gives some form to the base. Awesome. Let's see what else it fits in. Okay, the other bag I was thinking it would be good for is the Coach Prairie satchel, because it's a really thin little bag, but it needs some structure. And I've used other organizers in this before, and they're just too wide. So this is narrow enough, but it's really short. So, whoops. So you've got probably about 4 inches on the side of it. But if you wanted to use it in something like that, that would be good. Just gives you a little organization, but it's really not big enough to fit in there. So what I was thinking of using it for is not quite going to work. Let's see what else. Okay, so the dimensions of the little insert are 8 across by 6 tall by 2 inches wide. So I thought, maybe it would be good for the Bitsy bag. No, it smashes it. It's too long for the Bitsy bag. So let's see what else. Okay, now this is a great size bag for it. This is my Kate Spade medium Stacy tote, and satchel, even though it's called a medium bag, it is very small. But look at that, fits really nicely in there. It gives you just enough organization. Got a little wiggle room on the sides, but that's okay, because sometimes I like to stuff things on the sides of my organizer anyhow. But it's perfect because it's such a square little bag, but there's not really any organization inside, and this gives you some extra. So that works really good. I like it in there. So I'm sure that we can find more bags that it'll fit in, but I'm happy that it did fit into 2, and especially in those little corduroy bags I got, I will definitely be using it in there. But of course, it works great in its own bag, and I wanted to show you just how big this little Glossier cosmetic bag is inside a tote. Look how big that baby is. So that'd be a great catch-all when you're going to work, traveling, anything. It's a great catch-all for your tote items that you don't want to be exposed. You just zip it up. You've got the organizer inside. It won't be shifting around. So that is really neat. I don't have anything this shape. It's a lot thicker than most of the cosmetic bags I have. It'd be perfect for traveling, and I am really happy with it. So there you go. The Glossier cosmetic case in the blush pink color with the free organizer and the dust bag. I hope you liked this video. It was kind of fun to do something a little bit different. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time.